Everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Ruvy AI personal AI chat. So basically this is chatbot where you can chat. So simply tap on the open button after installing this app, then tap here the next button and give your name. I'll just randomly give my name. Tap next, tell your gender, and you can see, so you will get here a couple of characters, so you can start talking. A new character here, you can translate, send new request to translate. So you can see it's really nice. It's Arabic application, but you can still use it in English. So you can tap here and you can change the language also through this here, and you can create your own character. So like if you want to talk, then you can find, then you can start chatting with. So okay, so it's ad if you use free, like if you want to so you can still chat, but you have to watch the ad. But if you buy the premium version, then it's not happened. So this is the chat, and also you can create your own character. Simply tap create, then you can give your character, give name, write something and tap next, and you can add image or add character. Not enough Ruvy. So actually it's not free. Like if you want to get, then you have to buy the Ruvy. It's called Ruvy.